this video we are going to understand pro rate precision, pro rate multiplier, and what are the product rules. So previously while discussing about the pricing, we missed discussing about the pro rate precision and pro rate multiplier. So now what are they? So basically what happens, say you bought something as a subscription product, okay, and after that in the middle of the billing period, say you bought some Netflix, and then after 15 days, okay, you feel like this is not working out and you want to step back. Or there could be another scenario that you bought some subscription which is delivering milk every day to your home, say Country Delight, okay, and after 15 days you want to change your plan. You want to also add paneer to coming for delivering at your home, so something like that. So in the middle of the billing period, when customer makes some changes, how you are going to charge the customer, okay, that depends upon the pro rate precision, okay. So and what is responsible to calculate the entire calculation, that if say you want to cancel the subscription, right, after 15 days you want to cancel it, and the total billing period was 30 days, so obviously you will be only charged for 15 days as per the company policy, right. So the engine that is responsible for the calculation of what the customer has to pay for the 15 days or for the 20 days, however it is going to happen, that would be dependent upon the pro rate multiplier, okay. That's it, a small topic. Now let's move to the main hero of our today's video, which is product rules. So product, previously we have discussed option constraints, right. So option constraints, if you remember that we had dependency and exclusion. So if product A is selected, we cannot select product B, something like that, like of a exclusion. And if product B is selected, then only product A can be selected, sometimes of a kind of dependency. These small things we were able to do with the help of option constraints. Now as an admin, you want to have advanced logic, right. Pricing or product rules would not be simple at that time. Whenever you configure any of the products as per the customer, right, it would happen that you don't want the sales rep to accidentally select wrong products which are not compatible with the product that you are selling as a main product to your customer, okay. So we have product rules, which are the set of conditions and actions that help you to automate and customize your pricing and the configuration of the product. So what does that means, okay. So we have four types of product rules: validation, alert, selection, and filter, okay. So let's try to understand with the example. What does validation product rule do is, for example, say your customer, they want to try some free package of yours, okay. So what your company is offering, that there is a product, it's a bundle product, and it has two things: GPS tracking and premium car maintenance, which as a total costs 5,000, okay. It costs 5,000 initially, but as a business, you can only give a free trial up to the products which are 3,000. So as a sales rep, when I select this product for a free billing or for a trial thing, right, whenever I select both of these together, which will together cost me 5,000 as a product, I will not be able to save this product for the billing for my customer, okay. This comes under the validation. Let me repeat it again for you. So validation is there, you got some product and you are selecting the products. So say there is one validation, that the total whatever you select on the product, okay, you selected different products, as a sum they should not exceed more than 3,000 rupees, okay. So you can give only free trials up to 3,000, but this product, two things you selected, GPS tracking and premium car maintenance, the total is 5k, okay. So as a sales rep, if you set up, as an admin, you set up validation product rules, you will not be able to let your sales rep go the entire deal. They will not be able to proceed further, okay. So basically another type is alert. In the same previous example, say the business is only giving you the information, they are not hard stopping you to give the customer a 3k trial. At some scenarios you can give a more than 3k trial, okay. This time it's an alert, it will not stop you as a business, although you generally give for the 3k, but if in case you are giving more than that, the sales rep is allowed to do it, but they should be aware that there is a limit that you generally do it for 3k, but it's fine, you are doing it for the 5k. You just want to give the information, okay? You don't want to do a hard stop, okay? Then in that case we use alert product rules. Okay, then comes the selection and filter. So imagine now on Zomato, what happens is generally when you buy yourself a meal, okay, what I usually do is, because I'm a vegetarian, so I will select generally the veg only option. What does that do is that it removes all the non-veg items that a restaurant gives or on the entire menu, right? And it removes as well as it hides. So basically both things happen. This comes under the selection product rule. We have different types of selection product rules, like you want to disable something, enable something, disable and remove, hide and hide and remove, enable and add. So we have a lots of things that you can configure with the help of selection validation rule. Most of the selection product rule, most of the time you will be using it. I hope we are good. So selection product rule will be used in such scenarios where you select some certain option, and based on that, so veg only, when you selected basically some type of products, right? But those products would be veg, and as a customer you should not be able to see the non-veg ones in case you have selected that option. So accordingly they will be removed from your UI and you will not be able to select them. So that depends upon the admin, that how they configure it. Okay, then comes the filter. So filter product rule is, so on Zomato you see one option of meals under 250. Whenever you select it, you will be filtered out. Other meals which are more than 250 you will not be able to see, and you see only the meals from the different restaurants that cost you more less than 250. So this comes under filter. I hope we are good. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. I have attached the YouTube playlist in the description, as well as there is a feedback which you can give to me related to the videos or how should we proceed further. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.